Hello, welcome to Tuna Kitchen. The cherry blossom have fully bloomed here last week. Today I'm going to make kimchi jjigae, which is one of most common comfort food Korean. Kimchi jjigae is a kind of stew made with kimchi, adding other ingredients like pork or canned tuna, sometimes tofu too. I think most people have their own comfort food. To me, kimchi jjigae is one of them. Kimchi jjigae is really simple daily food, not fancy at all. Some kind of food you have grown up with, that kind of food. You can make kimchi jjigae even if you only have kimchi. I hope you enjoy today's recipe. Kimchi jjigae is really daily food, so you don't need to prepare that many ingredients. Just kimchi, and also use kimchi juice and tofu. Jjigae means kind of stew, so this particular one is softer than the other ones. And I prepared canned tuna. This is one of most common ingredients for kimchi jjigae. You can use whole pack of tofu, but I'm going to use half this time. I'm using jjigae dubu this time, but it really doesn't matter that much what kind of tofu you're using. Maybe you wonder how to keep the leftover tofu for a while in the fridge. It's quite simple. Just put the container and then pour some water to cover the tofu and add a little bit of salt. It will make it last more days, a few days, I think. When you chop the kimchi, the size is not that important, but shouldn't be too small. When you eat kimchi as it is, we do not eat the head part, but when you cook kimchi jjigae, slice them and cook together. It tastes good too. Making kimchi jjigae is really simple. Just preheat the pot and oil this time. When you use pork, you don't need to add any extra oil, but today we need a little bit of oil to stir-fry kimchi first slightly. Oil or fat makes kimchi softer quickly, and also it gives particular kimchi jjigae flavor, I think. Anyway, stir fry it like this for a while, like 5 minutes, and then you can add water. enough to cover the kimchi. After put water, you can do some seasoning. Not much, not many, but adding some seasoning is make kimchi jjigae tasty. Chicken stock could be beef stock. Korean sometimes add dashida, particular Korean MSG, and a little bit of sugar to reduce kimchi sour taste. I just add half tablespoon, but you can add more than that. It starts to boil, then you can add other ingredients like tofu. You can add canned tuna with tofu at the same time, but I'm going to add later. Boil the stew roughly 10 minutes, then you can add tuna. You can use the oil in the can, but I usually drain some oil, not completely, slightly, and add like this. After add tofu and tuna, do not stir too much. They're so easy to break. After you leave this to boil for roughly 10 minutes, you better check the taste. If you need more saltness, then add a little bit of salt or fish sauce. If you boil the stew for a while, then the soup reduces like this. Then it's ready to eat. Well, it's done. When I eat kimchi jjigae with rice, I don't need any other side dish. But, seaweed makes it even better. I wonder what is your comfort food in your country. Thanks for watching and see you next time.